my gosh, it's here. My dorm stuff is here. Hey, what up? It's your girl McCayla Grace here, and I'm back to show you guys my dorm stuff. It literally just got here. I just got back from lunch and going to the bank, and I come home and there's this giant purple box outside my door. So let's get into it. Look at this box. Oh my gosh, this is all my dorm stuff, and we're gonna open it. Got my scissors. There's a note. Let's see. Snap me. Let's see. There it is. Okay. I'm gonna look through that later, but what we're really here for is what's in the box. What's in the box? I think this is my comforter. Yeah, comforter. And it's got a pillow sham. Okay. Towel set. You're hung up on me. That's funny. 18 lilac plastic hangers. Jeez, there's so much stuff in here. This is just like my plush blanket. Golly, I can put all this stuff back. I'm done. This is a mattress topper. He sent me 2 pillows, which is nice because all my pillows are flat. This is a little pop-up hamper. And then we got underbed storage and more underbed storage. And then there's 2 more things. Oh, that's right. They sent me a clip-on fan. I totally forgot about that. And last but not least, my sheets. Alright. Well. Jeez. Oh gosh. Everything's falling. That was a lot of stuff. Okay. Well, that was it. That is my unboxing for Roomify for my dorm stuff. So yeah. Alright. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment if you want to see more unboxings like this, if you want to see more stuff for my dorm and whatnot. And subscribe. Yeah. Sorry, I'm like out of breath. I did that so fast because I was so excited. But yeah, like, comment, let me know if I help make your Monday a little bit brighter. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!